Oh goodness, are you tired of late nights and sore nipples? Yeah, me too. If you need a little encouragement, then keep on watching. This week, I will teach you how not to quit breastfeeding that wonderful, beautiful baby and maintain that special bond. Welcome to Transformational Talk, a place where I teach you about my 4M method: motivation, money, marriage, and motherhood. This week, I want to talk to you about how I nearly threw in the towel and said bye-bye to the wonderful relationship of breastfeeding. But I didn't do it, and I'm going to show you how, so stick around. First thing, never ever quit on a bad day when you're emotional. Instead, rest. Take a few hours just to get yourself back together. This will help to recharge you and ease those sore nipples. In order to do this, be prepared to pump an extra bottle for the baby or to buy baby formula. Secondly, breastfeeding saves money, and who doesn't like to save money? We all know the average cost of formula is about $37 US. Next, are you really ready to deal with engorged, pain boobs already? We all know how hard it is to actually stop breastfeeding because this can get so painful. Are you really ready to deal with that? No, I didn't think so. Celebrate good times. Come on. Mama, the times that breastfeeding is going well for you, you are loving it, you're feeling relaxed, and you are loving that relationship with your baby, that special bonding time, cherish those moments. I would even go as far as journaling it, writing it down, reflecting on it. So when you have those deep, dark days and you want to quit, you have a point of reference. You have a positive, nice point of reference that you can go back to just to get you encouraged and going again. Also, think about how many bottles and extra supplies you have to carry around. You will need water, formula, and any of the other crazy things that you need in order to formula feed your baby. You want to go to the birthday party, the Christmas party, Thanksgiving, breakfast, anywhere, and carry all of those items around. I sure don't. It's so much easier to whip out the boob. Calories. Do not forget that you can burn an extra 500 calories a day breastfeeding. Now I know every mom is not able to burn up to 500, but you do burn calories, even if it's just 10, 20, 30. That's calories that you will be burning. Association. Make sure you are hanging around mothers that have breastfed in the past, are breastfeeding now, or plan to breastfeed. If all of your friends are formula feeding, they will encourage you to formula feed. They will tell you something like, fed is best, which is very true. But you want to hang around those moms that are going to lovingly push and support you to continue this great relationship, because there are endless benefits. Speaking of benefits, have you forgot about the endless benefits of breastfeeding? Better immunity, brain development, an essential source of nutrients, and more variety in taste. Here's the caveat. Introducing your child to a variety of tastes while they are breastfeeding will help you avoid that picky 2-year-old that doesn't want to eat this and doesn't want to eat that. So these are all the wonderful benefits of breastfeeding. Make it a habit to pump extra milk when you have time. This will save you in cases of emergency, or when you feel exhausted like this, you will have extra milk. And if you are thinking about quitting because your supply is dropping, never mind the gurus that tell you to drink this tea and eat this cookie and all that jazzy stuff. The best, the simplest, the easiest, the cheapest, the most efficient way to boost your milk supply is, drum roll please, water. Water. Your breast is made out of water. It is over 70% of water. Yes, the rest of it is fat and all of that other jazz, but it's water. Drink water. Now you're going to say, how much water can I really drink before I get bored, before it gets annoying, before I don't like it anymore? Jazz it up. Put fruit in it, lemons, lime, strawberry, raspberry, cranberry, whatever it's going to take to jazz up that water, make sure that you have it. Moms, if you love this video, then you will love any of these videos here that I have on breastfeeding. I wanted to encourage you today to continue breastfeeding even when it gets difficult, even when you feel like you cannot do it anymore. Remember that this is the place that you can come to learn all things money, motivation, marriage, and motherhood. I want to thank you so much for watching. Remember to be bold, to be great, and be beautiful.